Hello, hello guys!
Why are you acting like this is your channel?
Honey, it's always about me on the party. Let's the door's right there, sweetheart.
I'm back, guys. Okay, so I've been like thinking real hard about my intro. I'm not exactly sure how I want to introduce myself every video, but so I'm thinking about this, right? Hey everyone, my name is ASHLEY, aka CICC. That's corny?
Girl, why don't you put it in MLA format? Don't touch me.
Well, guys, so okay, none of that. So we have a very good video today. Ashley has something up her sleeves. So today we're gonna be cooking a live freaking seafood animal. Okay, if anybody knows, Saeed does not mess with anything besides shrimp from the sea, okay?
And it needs to be cooked and it's like debated.
Oh yeah, everything. Like he cannot see it live, nothing. So today is gonna be very shocking. I was in the store today, which you guys probably already seen, and one of the animals tried to fight me. Like seriously, I was throwing hands, like trying to get it. So, without further ado, should I get the animal now?
I am literally nervous. Guys, do you know what I mean? Like, I'm scared from dogs. Oh, no. Oh, honey. Oh. No.
I had to sit it outside, guys, because he was going to look at it and see what it was. Look.
Can you just take it out? I want to know what I'm dealing with.
This is... You hear it?
Is that a shark?
This is crawfish, guys.
Girl. Ah! Bitch! No!
I don't know if you guys can see it. You want to see it?
No, I don't want to see it. I never asked to see it.
Can you see?
Maybe. Ah! There's a lot of them! I see! Get them out.
So, is that all? No. For salt, but they gave me all of this for like $4. Saison, and then some other seasoning. The crawfish thing. Okay, ready, guys? Matt, you want to see what's in here?
Close to me. I am not joking.
Don't say anything once you see it.
Oh, honey.
Come in the camera so they can see your reaction.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Mermaid girl.
I don't think I can pick it up.
Girl, I'm not touching it. Oh, bitch, you better stay away. You think you're gonna grab it? Oh, bitch. Oh, no. Oh, no. Honey, she got lit. She got it. No. I'm not joking, Ashley. I'm not joking.
No, I wasn't gonna put it on you. Relax.
Girl, they're having a full-on birthday party, girl. Oh my god, are they quarantining?
Yo.
Honey, because this is not 6 feet.
I'm thinking about just running hot water on it to like kind of rinse it off and then taking it and putting it in a pot.
Okay.
But you're going to have to be optimistic. The people want Saeed to put the lobster in the pot.
I'm not the people. The thing is, I'm not the people. I'm not for the people. Do I look like I am the people, girl? We need to hold this, so we need a thumbnail pic.
Listen.
We need a thumbnail pic.
What should I hold?
No, just hold the lobster. We need to hold it like...
You have to hold one side too, though.
No, I'm going to be like, on the side.
Oh, shit.
Girl.
Oh. I can't. Saeed, I need your help. Come on, you have to encourage. Like, you can't just sit there.
Ashley, you are gonna do it. You are that girl. You know you are that girl. No lobster gonna eat you. No lobster gonna do it.
Yo, I need this thumbnail, bitch.
Stick.
It's upside down. That's cruel.
Matt. Who cares about cruel shit?
How can you pick it up like that?
Matt, why don't you join the thumbnail?
Okay, wait. Let me hold it. Let me turn it this way.
I gotta put it down again.
No! Don't put it down. Let me grab it from there because I'm not gonna pick it up.
Ashley, please do not put it on me. I will be so mad from you. Like, I'm serious.
Hold it.
Okay, come on, Saeed. Come on, hurry up.
Hold on, I'm going.
No, Ashley, please put it down. I'm not joking. Ashley, please. I'm serious. Please, madame. She don't even want to do it now.
Okay. We got our thumbnail. All right, so now
we gotta cook it.
So we're gonna just eyeball this, okay? So we're gonna put hot water. What do you think? Put hot water on it. Take some dirt off.
Put some hot water on yourself.
Alright, then you do that. Put the knife in the head.
Oh, girl. Okay.
Is there any knife in there?
So, do we have
This is not
is there a
gonna work.
cutting board or something? Is there a cutting board?
We're gonna put it on a cutting board. Does it need bed sheets too?
Do you want to hold it?
Oh. Girl. Matt, you seem like you know what you're doing. I'm sorry, Ashley. I'm sorry.
I think it's like you put it like here. Yeah, he's dead.
Damn.
How do you work with this manual lens?
Damn, I feel so bad.
You a badass bitch?
Where should I hold it? Here?
It's dead. I mean,
It's still moving though.
it's just some reflexes. Like it's the muscles. Like it's.
Okay.
Ashley.
I don't want it to leak all over the floor because it's like. Do the same thing. Pick up, grab. Don't waste time because you're gonna think 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Yay!
Ashley, oh!
I wasn't gonna put it on you.
Ashley, put it on your bed. Put it on your bed. Ashley, please, no.
My bed, my laptop.
Girl, I will break it if you put it on me.
Bye, guys.
She doing backflips. Oh, she's throwing it back.
I think it's done.
Put the camera up here. Yeah, thank you. So I'll let you guys know, I've never eaten crawfish or lobster, or neither touched them, and oh girl. Help. So.
Yeah.
What is that, bitch?
Sir.
I don't want to eat the lobster, please. It looks
Lobster.
scary. I'm taking a bullet right now eating this crawfish.
How'd it turn out, Ashley?
It's good.
Doesn't look. It's not like bomb.
It's good. I wish there was like pepper sauce for it. I feel like you would like the lobster better, but
This is for you, AshleyCharlie.
do it. Try it. No, come on, you got it.
Girl. Bitch. That's it.
It's just a boozy waste of money. Period. Okay? Okay, guys. Well, that was the journey of cooking with Saeed. How did you feel throughout the time?
Great.
Why you put it down?
Honey, what is that? Where's the other achievement? She is thick.
She's thick.
She's a hard shell. Reminds me of someone. Difference is she was clapping and snapping at everybody, which also reminds me of someone.
Well, I'm super happy that you made it on my channel. I'm super happy. Well,
go follow me, check out my podcast, and we'll have this beautiful check on the podcast.
Yes, and I'll have all his information in the description box. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we love you guys. Bye. How do I know to do this? You not even know how to do this.
With a knife.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Are you excited?